Hello, this is Mesos Orm, and welcome to Understanding S.F.M.L. Today, we'll be learning about the image class. Image may be initialized with a given texture, or image may be initialized with a given width and height. Image may also be initialized with a color. To pass our image off to the window, we must first resize the texture, and if our texture can't resize, we'll just send an error. Then to make sure our texture is holding our image, we pass our image through the texture's update function. Finally, we initialize our sprite with our texture. Know that anytime we update our texture, our sprite will also update. Now if we open the debug menu, we can see that our image shows up. The image function resize also allows us to change our image size and the color of our image. Let's open the debug menu and see that our screen is entirely green. Instead of at start, we may also use the image function load from file to load a texture onto our image. Opening the debug menu, we can see that our image still works. Using image in the render window function setIcon allows us to set the icon in the leftmost side of the title bar. Opening the debug menu, we can see that our icon works. The image function flip horizontally mirrors the image against the y-axis. Likewise, the image function flip vertically mirrors the image against the x-axis. The image function getPixel returns a color at a given coordinate in the image. Opening the debug menu, we see that we get the RGB values at the coordinate that we specified. The image function setPixel allows us to set a color at a position in our image. Opening the debug menu, we can see that we've set every pixel in our image. Using the image function createMask from color, we can specify a color that we want transparent. Opening the debug menu, we can see that all the cyan in our image has been made transparent. Lastly, using the image function save to file, we may save our image to a given address. First, opening the debug menu, closing it, and then opening our specified folder, we can see that our image is now here. Thank you for joining me today. If you did, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.